Trimming a brisket does not have to be that complicated. Meat side, the more you can clean it, the better that bark's gonna set because you want that meat exposed. Bottom side, 1/4 inch of fat, give or take, all the way through. That is it. Nice and smooth brisket all the way around. Let's get into it. All right, I like to start on the meat side, so I'll get my hand underneath, push up. Makes it a lot easier to trim those fat pockets and any silver skin that you need to get off. So that discolored meat on the side, you want to get rid of that. So I'll take that all the way down, and then I'll round my edges. That's more of a preference thing. Then you've got the decal, that really thick piece of fat on the brisket that will not render down. Just take that and even it up with the meat, and that's it. And then you've got this damaged brisket from the package. You can't see this when it's in a tight package from the store. So unfortunately, something like this, you got to remove all that. Didn't really want to, but got to keep the brisket nice and uniform. So now that the top's nice and clean of fat and silver skin, the bottom, we're just going to take that fat cap down to about 1/4 inch, give or take. And if you go too far, it's not a big deal. You just want some fat down there, a little bit of cushion. I'm going to go fat side down on the Traeger. And this is it. Nice, clean, simple brisket.